In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add Figma prototype to Wix. By the end, you'll have an interactive Figma prototype embedded directly on your Wix page, ready for visitors to click through just like a real app or website. First, open your design in Figma and head to the top right corner of the screen. Click the Share button to open the sharing panel. This is where Figma gives you all the options for collaboration and publishing. For an embedded prototype to display correctly on your site, make sure the prototype can be viewed by your audience. If you're sharing outside your team, set the link permissions so anyone with the link can view. That way, Wix can load the prototype without asking viewers to sign in. Inside that same share panel, look for the option to get the embed code. Click Get Embed Code to generate an iframe snippet. Figma will show you a preview and a short block of code. You can leave the default size for now. We'll be able to resize it inside Wix later if needed. When you're ready, click Copy to place that code on your clipboard. This is the only code you'll need. Now switch over to your Wix editor. Open the page where you want the prototype to appear. On the left-hand toolbar, click Add Elements. This is your library of items you can place on the page. From there, choose Embed Code. This section is designed for bringing in content from other platforms. Select Embed HTML to create a container that accepts custom code. An empty HTML box will appear on your canvas, and a settings panel will prompt you for code. Paste the Figma embed code you copied a moment ago into the code field. You should see the prototype load right away inside the frame. If you don't, double-check that you pasted the entire iframe and that your Figma sharing permissions allow viewing. Click Update to apply the change. With the prototype now visible, drag the edges of the HTML box to fit your layout. You can align it with your grid, set exact dimensions, or stretch it to full width for a more immersive experience. If your prototype is tall or scrollable, give the box extra height so nothing gets cut off. It's also a good idea to switch to the mobile view in the Wix editor and adjust the size there, ensuring the prototype is easy to use on smaller screens. That's it. You clicked Share in Figma, grabbed the embed code, and added it to your Wix page through